In this video, we are going to discuss about the muscles of forearm. We are going to cover the major muscles of forearm, covering their name, origin, insertion, and their nerve supply. So, the first muscle is bicep brachii. It is originating from the coracoid process of scapula and inserted on the radial tuberosity of the radius. And its nerve supply is musculocutaneous nerve. The second muscle is brachialis. Brachialis is originating from humerus and inserted on ulna, and its nerve supply is musculocutaneous nerve. The third muscle is brachioradialis. It is originating from humerus and insertion is radius, and its nerve supply is radial nerve. The next muscle is tricep brachii, originating from humerus and insertion on ulna, and its nerve supply is radial nerve. The next one is anconeus, originating from humerus and inserted on ulna. The same nerve supply is radial nerve. These two muscles are the extensors of forearm, so their region insertion and their nerve supply is same. So these three muscles are the flexors, and the mnemonic is B3. Bicep brachii, brachialis, and brachioradialis, and these two muscles are the extensors of forearm. And its mnemonic is AT. E stands for anconeus and T stands for bicep brachii. In this way, we cover all the major muscles of forearm that contributing to the movement of forearm, the flexors and the extensors.